to the channel. This is your girl Miss Wang. If you're new here, welcome, join the family, click that subscribe button down below. If you are not new here, thank you so much to be back here with us sis for another video. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be talking about this Aldo. I am gonna be sharing with you this Aldo bag that I purchased online from Aldo's site. So this is how it came. I thought it would have probably come in a box or something, but this is how it came. I've taken the bag outside of the FedEx bag that it comes in, but this, other than that, this is how it is. Alright, I have saved this bag for so long, like probably a month. I've received it and I haven't taken it out of the bag because I want to share it with you guys, unboxing with you guys. So let's take it out of the bag. Let's take it out of the bag. Alright, so this is the bag. I'm gonna tell you what bag it is first because I don't remember it from memory. I was on Aldo's site and I saw it and I was in love. I decided I needed to get it. I think I paid $90 for it. Well, $85 here. So it is the Albandra bag. Alright, so it says in pastel, multi, synthetic, quilted, size 1 size. Alright, so that's what's here. So it's the Albandra bag. And let me show you how it looks, what it looks like, why I fell in love with it when I first saw it. So this is what the bag looks like. This is the front part of it, the handle, and the back part. And the back part even has the Aldo sign. Matter of fact, this is my first bag from Aldo. I've been to their store in New York, I think, or one of those places, New York, where I got shoes, but I've never had a bag from Aldo. Alright, I really like the black bag for work, but I haven't gotten it yet because it is over $50. And of course this bag is over $50 as well. So for my people living in Jamaica, kindly note that you are gonna face custom duties because this is over $50. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like. It has these on it. It says baby girl. It's a lightning, a lips. This is a pin, safety pin, latch pin, a lock, heart, and a lion's face. Something like the Prada. Is this what the Prada sign looks like? Something like this. And I love the handles, white with the gold things around it. And this holds the handle. So let me pull it off. And of course it comes through like that, the handle. Alright, so it goes through inside. This is the tag that comes with it, and this just has the name as well. Excuse me. Aldo Albandra. Alright, so this is what the back looks like, guys. Look at it. The front again. I was just so in love with the pattern, the designs, all of these paintings all over it. I was in love. Alright, so let's pull. And this is what this part is white. This is what inside looks like. Let's remove these. So let's do just the packaging. Whole lot of stuff in. This is inside of it. Alright, so this is inside of it. Why am I whispering just now? I don't know. But this is the tags. These are the tags. These are the tags. And it has one zip inside. So this is the zip right there. And it is wide and deep enough. That's where my hand fit when I push my hand in this part. And of course this part has the Aldo on it as well. And that is it. So it just have one zipper on the inside. And yeah, that is it. So right here it has Queen. Yeah, it has Queen right here. And it has a lipstick right here. And some diamond here. Alright, so I am a person who loves diamond. I love bling bling, and so when I saw this bag I just had to get it. This is me trying to close the bag. Alright, so you just spin it to close it. Alright, so you just spin right here to close the bag, and these are the handles. I guess that this is it. This is the Aldo Albandra bag. Yeah. I wish I had something to show you the size of it. This is my iPhone 7, and this is how it fits. I use it in my other phone, so I can't use it, but this is where it would fit. So it can fit in the bag as well. This can fit in the bag. Let me look for my diary. So here goes a diary, and this can definitely fit in the bag as well. Yeah, so but I don't know if you don't want to put all of these in the bag. I guess I'll do a video showing you on what's in my bag with this bag. If you want to see that video, then you can leave it down in the comments, and I'll do one of those videos for you. But in terms of the sizing, I am gonna put all of that in the description, since I don't know all of that on hand right now, and this does not say anything like that. It doesn't give me the description like that. All right, it just says prepared for Casey, prepared by Casey for, and my name. So thank you so much for Casey for this, and my other details. So I am gonna put the information on the bag in the description, as well as the link in the description to this bag. If you like it, then you can go and get it. As I said, I paid $85 for it, and this is exclusive of shipping. So I'll put all of that in the comments, and pin it in the comments and in the description for you guys, so check that out. This is the bag, Aldo Albandra. If you are a bag fanatic, then I hope you find this video useful. This is my first time doing something like this, so if there's anything that I'm missing, don't be afraid to let me know down in the comments. All right.